So for you teachers that are new to SEL or new to this or just kind of uncomfortable with this and maybe just trying to get the hang of how to use these kind of lessons or curriculum, this is how you're going to do it. So there's always an intro page, and then you click the slide, you'll get to the next slide. And what happens is most of the time there's going to be bullet points over here and there's going to be a video over here with some sort of visuals that go with it. Now, if you're new, you're just going to use the slides as is. So what I mean by that is you're going to go to the slide, and then you're going to just play the video clip that goes with it. No need to try to walk through the bullet points with the students beforehand, because honestly the video will actually walk through the bullet points too, so it's a little bit overkill if you have students do both. So the bullet points are there for students to kind of look at, and then for you to use as a reference later on if you kind of want to walk through the content again for yourself in a quick way. You can do that, or for the students to remind themselves, or if you have asked them to take notes, they can do that. But again, you don't need to walk through the bullet points. All you need to do is go to the slide and hit play on the video, and then the video start walking through and talking, and there'll be some visuals that go with it. If there's a specific stopping point that needs to happen in the video, my voice will say it, right? But again, that's all you really need to do. Once that video ends, if there's no other prompt, click to the next slide, right? There's something happening here, there's some words, then you play the slide over here. Again, you don't need to go over this separately because it will be covered in the video. And you'll just kind of use that and walk through each piece to show your students and give them the sort of general idea. Then you'll hit slides that say think, pair, share. You'll just lead that, right? You'll ask these questions of the students, have them take 30 seconds to think about it, then have them turn to a partner and share out. Generally speaking, you want to have a couple students share out with the whole group afterwards. After that, right? Then you click through, and then when it hits your turn, that means that they're going to do something next that is going to be driven by them, whether it's reflection or something else. Again, that's all embedded in the teaching guides, but now you have an idea of basically what it should look like when you walk through these presentations with your students. Again, don't need to go through each bullet point. That's just for you to kind of refresh your content. It's there for to help some of your students if they're taking notes. But again, the video should be enough to explain what's going on for those students.